Understanding, Sample and Hold, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, sample and hold. This phrase might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive in and discover what it really means. Sample and hold is a phrase that originally comes from the world of electronics and technology. To sample means to take a small part or example of something to represent the whole. For instance, a cook might sample a soup to taste if it needs more salt. Hold, in this context, means to keep or maintain something in a particular state. So, when combined, sample and hold refers to the process of taking a small piece of information and maintaining its state over a period of time. In everyday English, sample and hold can be used metaphorically. For example, when someone takes a brief experience or a piece of advice and keeps it in mind for a long time, they are essentially doing a sample and hold. It's like taking a snapshot of a moment or an idea and keeping it unchanged in your memory. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. After hearing her grandmother's advice, Jane decided to sample and hold those wise words throughout her life. 2. The scientist used a sample and hold technique to monitor the temperature changes over a week. Be cautious not to confuse sample and hold with simply sampling or trying out different things. The key aspect of this phrase is the idea of maintaining or preserving something, not just the act of sampling it. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, sample and hold. Remember, it's all about taking a small part of something and keeping it in its original state over time. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.